So, you are new to trading and you're wondering which Forex broker should you use? Yes, look no further than this video. In today's episode, I'm going to be explaining to you the best Forex broker that you can use if you're a beginner trader or you have been a trader looking for a broker to use. This broker offers low spreads, low commissions, 100% deposit bonus, and also the best withdraw and deposit methods in the Forex market, guys. If you're new around here, please make sure to subscribe and let's get started with this video. So, one of the most tricky things when we are just getting started in the Forex market is choosing the right broker. Yes, this is something that is really key. You know, it's just like choosing the best car for yourself, you know, a car that is going to consume less fuel, less maintenance fee. You know, it's just like the broker. So if you're choosing a Forex broker to use while trading in the Forex market, this is something that is very key. And yes, there are certain few things I always look out for when I'm trading with a Forex broker. First thing being is, are they regulated? Do they offer good deposit and withdraw methods? Do they offer low spreads and low commissions? And also, do they have transparent platform and also a good customer service? So the broker that I recommend and I'm going to be reviewing today is Fxview. Fxview is the best broker that has taken the internet by storm. This is how the website looks like, traders, as you can see. So if you're just getting started, this is the video for you guys. Make sure to watch it from the start to the end. So when you come onto the Fxview website, you can see the first thing I always look out for in anything, guys, is the transparency. The Fxview broker looks very transparent, as you can see when you join in. As you can see, join the era of superior trading. So why do I recommend Fxview? First of all, they're registered in 3 countries to make sure that your money is safe. And for you to see the registrations, you can come back to company right here, tap licenses and registration. So this is where you're going to see where they are regulated. Yes, they're registered in Cyprus, and most of you guys know Cyprus is one of the leading countries. It's a small country, but leading countries when it comes to trading the Forex market. There are so many brokers that are registered in Cyprus, as you can see. So we have Cyprus, we have India, and then Mauritius and South Africa. You can see not 3 countries, but 4 countries. That is where Fxview is registered. So if you're wondering, is Fxview registered? Yes, it's registered to make sure that your money is very safe. And also, Fxview is an ECN broker, meaning anytime when you're trading in the Forex market and you place a trade, it's going to be executed at a faster rate than most of these other brokers do. You know, when it comes to, let's say, trading news, when you place in your trade and markets move, you know, then they place your trade after the markets have moved, which is manipulation. Fxview doesn't do that because it's an ECN broker. So when you scroll down here, as you can see, Fxview offers spreads from 0.0, as you can see, guys. Commission, again, it's also from 0. Leverage, they offer leverage up to 500, as you can see, guys. You don't need to have so much leverage. 500 is just enough for you. As I personally, I use 1 to 100, 1 to 200 leverage. You see, I never go beyond that because, again, leverage is a double-edged sword. So you never want to use a higher leverage, you know, because it takes, you know, it gives you much money, but it also takes so much money. I recommend always a 1 to 200 leverage. And for a beginner trader, I recommend a 1 to 50 leverage. And as you can see, guys, when you scroll down here, you're going to see Fxview offers 4 account types. We have the 0 commission, mostly for beginner traders. We have the raw ECN account. Again, this is also for traders that have been in the game for quite a period of time. And then we have the premium ECN and then the Islamic account, as you can see. So with this, the 0 commission account, as you can see, at minimum deposit is $50, as you can see, guys. Spread is from 0.6%, as you can see, 0.6 pips, as you can see, guys. Commission 0, and then leverage goes as high as 500, as you can see. Same to the raw ECN account, guys. Deposit, the minimum is $50, and then spread is 0.0 pips, as you can see, guys. And commission is $2 to 100 per side, as you can see, guys. Leverage, again, it goes as high as 500. Guys, choose the account for you. You can see even have a premium account. This is now for pro guys with really big money. You see, the premium ECN account, minimum deposit is $5,000. You see, that is obviously small money, you know. Then spreads is 0 pips, as you can see, guys. And then commission 1 to 100 per side, and also leverage, it goes as high as 500. You see, guys. Then also the Islamic account, as you can see, guys. You see, so if you're Muslim, don't worry, we'll get you sorted. Your account, minimum deposit is $50. Spread is from 0.6 pips, as you can see, guys. Swap free, no charges, and then leverage is 500. Now, one of the main key things in trading right now is what platform do you trade on? Yes, Fxview offers ArcTrader, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5, as you can see, and these are all award-winning platforms. you know. And also remember guys, in the past we had the war between Ukraine and Russia, and that war it disturbed. MT4 and MT5 were disconnected, meaning you still have Aka Trader to trade with, but now, right now MT4, MT5 they're running, so you can use them. But again, one thing to note, these are award-winning platforms, so you're trading with the best guys. And down here guys, when you look here, there are so many ways you can deposit your money. You can use Skrill, you can use Teller, you can use MasterCard, you can use crypto, you can use if you're in Africa, let's say in Ghana, you can use mobile money. And yes, also mobile money is coming for those guys in Uganda. Mobile money is coming for you guys. And if you don't know how to use cryptocurrency, better learn. I've already made a video on how we can use cryptocurrency to deposit money in our account and withdraw our money, because that is very fast. Most of you guys always want these simpler things like mobile money. Yes, mobile money is very simple, but at times where your money is caught up and it takes more than 24 hours for your money to come into your account. But if you're using something like crypto is instant. If you're using USDT deposit and withdraw, your money doesn't take even 5 hours. It just takes few minutes, 10 minutes, sometimes even 2 minutes when you already have your money in your account. So make sure you learn how to use cryptocurrencies. FXView also offers a comprehensive trading environment. Yes, there are also other tools that you can use for FXView. As you can see guys, we have here the traders toolbox. As you can see, a premium range of trading analysis and tools designed to offer you advanced market insights. As you can see right there, market news. Obviously you have the economic calendar on FXView. Webinars, if you're trying to learn how to trade the Forex market guys, the webinars are always held, you know, monthly or weekly. You can always join them and be able to learn how to trade, you see. So indicators package, for those that love to use indicators, everything is offered right here. And also VPS, if you are using robots to trade, FXView offers VPS and also the blogs. The blogs, this is where you're going to see things that are happening around the Forex market so that you can be updated of whatever is going on. Now, for those that are wondering, does FXView have an app? Yes guys, you can download FXView on your Google Play Store or on your Apple Play Store guys. Make sure to get your FXView account. You can definitely use these. You can just tap here or tap here, if depending on what type of phone that you're using, your mobile phone guys. Make sure to get your FXView app on your phone. FXView has 30 plus regulations and registrations, 10 plus awards, 500 plus instruments that you can trade from, and it's operating in more than 180 countries, as you can see guys. As I mentioned guys, FXView is an award-winning broker, as you can see guys. So FXView won the best value broker at the Forex Expo 2021, as you can see guys. Then in 2022 they won the most trusted broker, Ultimate FinTech in Cyprus. And also they won the best global CFD broker Forex Expo in Dubai in 2022. Then also they won the best ECN UF awards in Dubai, and then in that was in 2023, and also the best malt asset broker Fame in South Africa. As you can see guys, they have won so many awards. They are a trusted broker, you see traders. And yes, there is an expo, Forex Expo, this year in September. I'll make sure to be there guys. So if you want to sign up guys, it's very easy. Use the link below this video to sign up. You know, just come to Get Started right here, put in your name right here, select your country of residence, then put in your email address, put in your password right there, then confirm your password, then put in your phone number right there, then register. And just like that, you will have a Forex account to trade with the best broker guys. So why do I really recommend FXView? One of the best things is FXView offers one of the best spreads when it comes to trading pairs like gold. Guys, most of you know that gold is one of the best pairs to trade, because again, it's very volatile and you can always make money off it. As we traders, we always look out for volatility. And when it comes to other Forex brokers like Xness, I also use Xness, but Xness offers really high spreads, you know, so I can't be trading with a broker like that when it comes to gold guys. So make sure to get your FXView accounts right now traders. I'm going to be leaving the link below this video. And yes, also, if you sign up with Link Traders, I'm offering you a free access to my VIP, guys, for, I don't know, the whole year. From now until the whole year. From the time you're watching this video until the year ends, guys, I'm going to be offering you a free access. Deposit $50, obviously. Don't just trade an account. You have to deposit money. Remember, here you deposit money to make money. You use money to make money, guys. And if you're also new to trading, guys, make sure to give trading your all. Trading is something that will always give you back. If you give it your all, you know, we can't be doing 9 to 5. Why can you How are you working for money and yet this money is printed as faster than you can work for it? Forex trading is the best way to go, guys. So if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm going to be seeing you in my next, guys. Yes, this is my new setup. Obviously, guys, most of you guys are wondering, Bazil is in the new place. Of course, this is my office, and the next video I'm going to be unveiling my new monitor. Obviously, you see that right there, that is the old Apple monitor. I'm going to be reviewing the new screen that I've bought, guys. So if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next. Peace.